What options do sellers have if their home appraises for less than asking prices? Hey, I'm Jesse Myles of the Myles Group. And despite interest rates shrinking the potential buyers, now is still a great time to sell your home. Home prices are still increasing, just not as quickly as they were over the past couple of years. However, rising home values can also present a challenge for sellers. If your buyer's appraiser values your home at less than what you want to sell it for, what can you do? So here are a couple things that you can do. First, you can confer with your real estate agent to make sure your home isn't overpriced for the market. If so, you'll need to adjust your price to align the current market conditions, since most buyers won't want to shell out thousands of dollars to cover the difference between the appraisal value and the asking price. Number two, you can look over the comparable sales in the area. The appraisers are already based their value on comparable home sales nearby, but you might be able to find a better comps to justify your asking price. The third option is, if you're motivated to sell your home and getting more than your asking price isn't your top priority, you can also just simply lower your asking price to match the appraised value. If you and your buyer can't come to an agreement on how to proceed, they could cancel the contract and walk away. That will allow you to get back to square one and order a new appraiser altogether. I hope you found all this information helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact me at the information below.